What is a semiconductor? Ocreol's basics explained simply. Your smartphone, laptop, and even your LED lights all depend on one tiny thing, semiconductors. But what exactly is a semiconductor? In this video, I'll explain semiconductors from basics in a very simple way. A semiconductor is a material whose electrical conductivity lies between a conductor and an insulator. Conductors allow electricity to flow easily. Insulators block electricity. Semiconductors can control the flow of electricity. That's why semiconductors are the backbone of modern electronics. The most commonly used semiconductor materials are silicon, germanium. Silicon is widely used because it is cheap, stable, and easily available. Semiconductors are special because their conductivity can be changed by temperature, light adding impurities, called doping. This controllable behavior makes them extremely useful in electronic devices. One intrinsic semiconductor, a pure semiconductor with no added impurities. It has limited conductivity. Two extrinsic semiconductor, a semiconductor that has impurities added to improve conductivity. There are two types, N-type, extra electrons, P-type, extra holes. Doping is the process of adding small amounts of impurities to a pure semiconductor. Phosphorus creates N-type, boron creates P-type. Doping allows us to control how electricity flows. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more engineering and science explained simply. See you in the next video.